New from Domus is their latest continuous running fan, the dMEV-Nico. This compact 4-inch dMEV unit boasts a number of features and benefits, including low maintenance and low life cycle costs, flexible building regulation compliant solution for kitchen, bathroom, WC and utility room areas, suitable for wall, ceiling and window installations, easy to use digital control for setup and commissioning, and a 5-year warranty as standard. The unit provides continuous background trickle ventilation with boosted extraction rates when the area is in use, helping to control damp and mould issues as well as other internal air pollution which can become hazardous to health. The trickle speed is selectable between 5 and 20 litres per second, and the boost speed selectable between 6 and 29 litres per second, allowing you to tailor the setup to your specific needs. The unit also incorporates both humidistat and timer functions, all of which are configured using the onboard LED display and 3-button interface for simplicity of use. Not only this, but the dMEV-Nico is also IPX4 rated for installation in all zones, making it a cost-effective extract solution for domestic installations. Check out the new dMEV-Nico from Domus now at extractorfanworld.co.uk.